you've fallen on someone's premises and been injured, what should you do? First of all, get the medical treatment that you need. That should be your first priority, whether that's going to the emergency room, to urgent care, or to your primary care doctor. The next thing is try to document whatever caused the accident. That's always important, but it's especially important in slip and fall cases. Slip and fall cases can be difficult cases. The insurance company is always going to claim that the accident was your fault. And so it's very important in a slip and fall case to document exactly what caused you to fall and injure yourself, as close to the time of the accident as possible. So take photographs of what caused you to fall. Also, talk to any witnesses who were there. If there are any witnesses who were there, get their contact information. Finally, note the existence of any cameras that might have recorded the accident. In a slip and fall accident, that can be critical evidence later on for your case. One of the things that distinguishes Paynter Law when we're handling your slip and fall case is that we have a network of experts that we regularly work with in North Carolina who are familiar with North Carolina building codes and are able to consult with us and help build the strongest case possible for you. What type of compensation can you get in a slip and fall case? There are a couple categories of compensation that you can get. Medical bills, of course, future medical expenses, any lost wages or lost income, any out-of-pocket expenses that you had as a result of the injury. And finally, in North Carolina, you can recover for pain and suffering. And that's a very amorphous concept, but what it basically means is that you can receive an additional amount of money for the pain of that initial injury, for the pain and inconvenience of the treatment, for any mental distress or emotional distress that you suffered as a result of that injury. And because it is such an undefined category, it's important that you consult with an attorney when seeking compensation for pain and suffering. How does a no-win, no-fee arrangement work? That simply means that if we don't win your case or get you a settlement that you approve, we don't charge a fee. Not only that, but if there are expenses in your case, for example, court filing fees, we advance those expenses for you, and we don't recoup those expenses unless we win. What makes Paynter Law different from other law firms? I think the main thing is that we're a small firm and we care for each of our clients. Unlike a lot of law firms, bigger law firms that have hundreds of staff, you're never going to have a problem talking to your lawyer at Paynter Law or even meeting with your lawyer in person. That personal touch and that ability to speak with your attorney whenever you want is something that distinguishes us from other law firms. Another thing that I think distinguishes us from a lot of larger firms is that we are very comfortable in the courtroom litigating and trying your cases. Some firms, they just take cases to try to reach a quick settlement. If we don't think we can get you what you deserve in a settlement, we will take your case to trial. Heck, we even took a case up to the North Carolina Supreme Court one time and won. How does a no-win, no-fee arrangement work? That simply means that if we don't win your case or get you a settlement that you approve, we don't charge a fee. Not only that, but if there are expenses in your case, for example, court filing fees, we advance those expenses for you, and we don't recoup those expenses unless we win. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a free consultation. At Paynter Law, we're here to help you every step of the way, and we pride ourselves on being a small firm with a big impact.